Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to fix mouse double click automatically in your Windows. So for this guys, just go to right click on start and go to device manager. Select this device manager. Open this universal serial bus controller. Right click on USB root hub. Go to properties. Go to power management and uncheck this allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. After then click on OK and restart your PC. Hopefully guys it will fix your issue. Once again go to device manager and open this universal serial bus controller. Now right click on generic USB hub. Go to properties. Same here guys, go to power management, uncheck this and click on OK. After this guys, hopefully it will fix your problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.